Welcome to my tutorial how to extract a bearing from a Hope stainless BSA 30 millimeter bottom bracket. And for the tools you need something to unscrew the the crank set on this one as well. It's a 10 millimeter Allen wrench. That should do it. If you're weak, you can just hook this hole into the Allen key to make it longer and get some leverage. And to extract the bearing, you will need one of these pliers. You see how it's shaped in the tip there, and then you just take this the tips and place them inside the two little holes there, and preferably you should use one of these. This is a Unior bearing extractor for BSA 30 that comes with this part that doesn't work at all for this bottom bracket from Hope. It's too tight and this is too big. So you just remove that and you have a nice nylon ring to rest your thing on here. And then you just place this inside the bottom bracket, put these two in the holes. Let's see if I can demonstrate it without actually doing it. Like that. And then you just use something, preferably rubber, and whack it twice. And it shouldn't be too long until this bottom bracket pops out. And to install a new one, you just clean it out and put some grease in it for the next time you want to extract this. And then hopefully you have bought one of these. It's a 6806 bearing press tool that you put like this. You see, like this. And then if you're a strong mother like me, then you can just place it on something flat like this and press. I did it without any trouble. And there you have it. Good as new. And also you don't have to buy the Hope bearing. Enduro sells these. Let's see if we can see the actual label. I think I have the box here. I had to buy two kinds because they didn't have the correct one. I think it is this one. S7 1806 LLB. I'm just saying it because I'm pissed at Hope because they haven't yet explained how to do this. I'm the first one to do it on YouTube.